Indonesia's capital, Jakarta, has attracted people from around the archipelago for decades. It's the seat of government and the country's economic hub.
But with a new capital expected to open in 2024, will Jakarta lose its economic dominance? Well, our correspondent Saiful Bari Ismail finds out.
Jakarta is Indonesia's economic and administrative hub. A vibrant but also congested city of more than 10 million people on the main island of Java that has been attracting Indonesians from various parts of the vast archipelago for decades. But in 2024, a new capital on the island of Borneo may take over. Does it mean the end of Jakarta's economic dominance?
Ibarat gula, di mana gulanya masih ada, semut akan mencari gula tersebut. Nah, selama kegiatan pertumbuhan ekonomi masih tumbuh di Jakarta, maka pasti akan menjadi daya tarik warga yang ada di sekitar Jakarta untuk tetap datang di Jakarta mencari penghasilan atau mencari penghidupan.
President Joko Widodo first floated the idea of moving the capital to another island in 2015. But it took 4 years before he finally announced the location of the new capital in East Kalimantan province. The government has said that Jakarta is too crowded and congested to allow an efficient government machine to function. The relocation of the capital to East Kalimantan will involve about 1 million government officials and civil servants. The new administrative capital will house a new presidential palace, a parliament building, and new national police and military headquarters. But Jakarta is expected to continue growing, with the government allocating an additional $40 billion for urban regeneration projects over the next 10 years. This will go towards infrastructure projects, particularly for mass transportation. That means Jakarta's status as an international hub for trade and finance is secure.
Special status should have meaning, should have kind of implications to the business. In that sense, is incentive in terms of tax, put the example. Then for other things, whether relaxing regulations, say in the kind of like property sector, that put the example that foreigners could own it, and that also special status. So special status in the sense that would kind of like make Jakarta remain and even keep growing as a financial and services center.
Analysts say Jakarta's population is unlikely to drop significantly, as it will remain a magnet for Indonesians to move to the city for employment and other business opportunities.
Ya kalau buat ekonomi ya, kalau bisa tetap kayak gini gitu, tetap maju kayak gini. Jangan sampai pindah terus malah yang berkurang itu kan, bisa jadi saya tutup gitu. Bisa jadi saya gulung tikar pulang kampung.
Kalau harapan saya ya, kalau memang itu udah kesepakatan untuk pindah ke Kalimantan, tapi ya kalau bisa di Jakarta harus di perekonomiannya supaya dipeningkatkan lagi gitu loh, dijaga gitu loh.
With the center of administration moved to East Kalimantan, Jakarta can concentrate on economic activities.
Jakarta is notorious for its frequent street protests. Some of these demonstrations are outside the State Palace, Parliament House, government buildings, and can cripple traffic for hours. Jakarta is likely to see less politically motivated demonstrations when the new capital in East Kalimantan takes over. This could lead to better business environment in this fast-paced city. Saiful Bari Ismail, CNA, Jakarta.